Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where the add-in lives and opening Excel to the affected workbook. Once done, go straight to Insert then My Add-ins for Office Web Add-ins. For COM or Legacy add-ins, use File, Options, Add-ins. Make sure to note the name and whether it's listed under COM add-ins or Office add-ins, because the removal steps differ. This step makes the rest of the process predictable and prevents you from removing the wrong item. Now remove the item depending on its type. For Office Web Add-ins, open My Add-ins, pick Manage My Add-ins, click the three dots beside the add-in and choose Remove. Sign in if prompted. For COM add-ins, open File, Options, Add-ins, choose Manage. COM add-ins, click Go, then uncheck or select and remove if supported. After removal, close and restart Excel to flush caches and verify the ribbon no longer shows that add-ins commands. Finish by clearing caches and confirming removal. Close Excel, delete transient Office cache files, then restart your computer and reopen Excel. If the add-in persists, make sure it isn't deployed centrally. Check with your Microsoft 365 administrator or the admin center because tenant-deployed add-ins must be removed by an admin. If you see errors during removal, disable COM add-ins one at a time to find a conflict, and reinstall Office.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.